Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about Lambda functions in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions, are small functions declared with the lambda keyword in Python. They can accept any number of arguments, but only have one expression. Let's get started with a simple example. We'll create a lambda function that adds two numbers together. Here, we define a lambda function that takes two arguments, x and y. The expression x plus y adds the arguments. When we call the function with the values 5 and 3, it outputs 8, the result of addition. Now, you might ask, why use a lambda function when we can use a normal function? The answer lies in their simplicity and convenience. Lambda functions are particularly useful when you want a small function for a short period of time, especially as an argument for higher order functions like map, filter, or reduce. Now, let's use a lambda function with the map function to double each number in a list. Here, we have a list called numbers, and we use the map with a lambda function that multiplies each number by 2. The output is a new list with each number from the original list doubled. Now, let's use a lambda function with the filter to filter out odd numbers from our list. Here, we use filter with a lambda function that returns true if a number is even and false if it's odd. The output is a new list containing only the even numbers from our original list. Finally, let's use a lambda function with the reduce to find the product of all the numbers of our list. Here, we use reduce with a lambda function that multiplies all the numbers in our list together. The output is the product of all numbers in the list, which is 120. And that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends, and that's going to be it. I'll catch you in the next one.